Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com, and I got a very special unboxing for you guys today. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3, which I just was able to pick up today. So the significance of the Apple Watch Series 3, you're probably wondering, well, the Watch Series 3 was actually released in 2017, the Watch Series 4 was released in 2018, the Watch Series 5 was released in 2019, and the Watch Series 6 is coming later this year for 2020. So you're probably wondering, why on earth would you pick up the Watch Series 3? Well, my best answer to that is actually that there is a special deal going on for the Watch Series 3, in which it's $200 for the 38mm model, and then for the 42mm model of the Watch Series 3, it's $229. So you can see that you're getting great value, and Apple almost never does deals like this on an Apple Watch, so I couldn't resist. I had to go ahead and pick it up. And when you really take a look between the Watch Series 3 and the Watch Series 5, there isn't much of a difference. Yes, the Watch Series 3 doesn't have the ECG and other heart monitor feature that is present on the Watch Series 5. And if you don't want to have the latest tech, the Watch Series 3 is still a great buy. So that was why I couldn't resist the opportunity to buy the Watch Series 3 at such a great price. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So here we have the Apple Watch Series 3 right here, so you can see it says it. And the Apple Watch box is one of my favorite boxes of any Apple product. It's pretty elongated, and it just is different from many of the other Apple boxes. But if we take a look at the right over here, this is where we get into the nitty-gritty details. So we can see it says Apple Watch Series 3 Space Gray Aluminum, and the sport band is black. Now, just taking a look at the back of the box, you just get some more details. So now what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up this Apple Watch Series 3. So now that we've opened it, we can go ahead and open and take off the shrink wrap right here. So here we have the Apple Watch box, and now we have a tab over here. So we can just pull the tab, and here we go. So the first thing that we see right here is designed by Apple in California. Now we can just pull the tab right here. And then here we have the Apple Watch Series 3. So it's just presented there. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we could pull the tab here. And there it is. So you can see that it has the shrink wrap covering it. And you can see some more information on it. And with the 1, 2, 3, it tells you how to put on the Apple Watch. So here it is. It looks spectacular. So this is the Apple Watch. So it already comes with the wristband in. So you can see that we already have it in. So this is the small and medium wristband. So we'll just leave it as is because I do have a smaller wrist. Now, the only difference between this and the 42mm model, so this is a 38mm model, is that it's slightly bigger on the screen, but not the wrist straps. That's where it stays the same. So yeah, the small, medium wrist straps, and then the medium, large wrist straps. And you can change these straps out. So you can get an official Apple one on the Apple website, or you can get some from eBay as well. And you can get a lot of custom designs. So that's what people tend to do. So now on the back of the Apple Watch, you can see the design of it, and it has that very nice space gray stainless steel model. So now we can go ahead and turn on the Apple Watch just by hitting this button right here. And now we have the Apple logo. Now, while we're booting up the Apple Watch Series 3, you can take a look at what else is in the box. So here we have Apple Watch, and we get some stickers, and then we get some more important information. So we get another wrist strap, and then it shows you how to put it on. And then right here is where the Apple Watch charger is. So you can just simply pop it. And then you can see this is what the charger looks like. So you can see that we need a wall plug for the charger. And then you'll see that the Apple Watch will simply rest on this part, and then we'll be able to charge the Apple Watch just like that. So now that the Apple Watch Series 3 is charging, what I can do is actually go ahead and pair the Apple Watch with my iPhone. So now you can see that it recognized the Apple Watch is super close, so we can just go ahead and press, so you can see And now you can see it'll say update your Apple Watch, so you can go ahead and update the Apple Watch now. And it'll say it'll take a few minutes to activate the Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3 when you first go into it. So it's running on the latest watchOS 6.2.5. If you're wondering, it just will automatically update on your iPhone. And I was able to pair it with my iPhone relatively easily. Now, once again, just going over the deal for the Apple Watch Series 3 versus the Series 5, Apple no longer sells the actual Series 4 anymore. It's only the Series 3 and the Series 5. So the Series 5 has all of the latest features, and it has the ECG and it can read your heart and everything like that. But the Watch Series 3 is a little less advanced, but it's the best budget deal of all time for an Apple product. You can get this Apple Watch for only $200, the 38mm version, so the one I'm wearing, and you can get all those features of an Apple Watch, and it's still pretty good, and it can still rival the Apple Watch Series 5. And you save about $300 on it, so you can't go wrong with that deal. Now, you can also switch the bands once again, so this is just the standard band that comes with it, but there's $5 Apple Watch bands on eBay and also on Etsy and all those other websites, and you get the official Apple bands as well. And then the most expensive one is a $400 Hermes Apple Watch band. Now, one of the benefits of the Apple Watch is just the overall sheer amount of apps available for the Apple Watch. It's just very polished, since Apple has made a bunch of Apple Watches now and they're already on the Series 5 and looking towards the Series 6. So the apps for the Apple Watch are very developed, I must say. Now, the battery is just as good as the Watch Series 5, since it doesn't always have that always on feature. So that means that it will just have a better optimized battery life, and it won't always be draining with that always on feature that's available in the Series 5. So always on just goes as the name suggests. It will always have your display on, and there's not much that you can do about it. So once again, the Series 3 is just the best value for the tech. Now, this is the $199 GPS version and not the cellular version. You can also get the cellular Apple Watch. And with the cellular Apple Watch, you can use the Apple Watch without your iPhone. So this one I pair with my iPhone, so you just have to keep your iPhone close in range. And then you can use the Nike app with it, so you can track your running and your route and your steps and everything like that. So it's really interesting in that way. So this is one of the best deals since the iPad 10.2 version and the iPhone SE in terms of overall value. So I highly recommend going ahead and picking up one of these Apple Watch Series 3 while the deal lasts. Once again, it's only $199 for the 38mm version and $229 for the 42mm version. So I just once again highly recommend that you go ahead and pick one up. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. I still have a lot more videos to do on the Apple Watch Series 3, so stay tuned. Be sure to click that playlist down below if you want to watch some more Apple Watch Series 3 videos. Also, be sure to comment down below on what you think of the Apple Watch Series 3 and if you'll be picking one up. And be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms of Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. My username there is Apple Critics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.